Welcome to Interior Designs YouTube channel. Embark on a journey of design sophistication with our IKEA design showcase, where functionality and style harmoniously coverage. This curated collection unveils an array of innovative chair designs from IKEA. Each piece a testament to the brand's commitment to form, function, and affordability. Explore a diverse range of materials including sleek metal foam boards and contemporary polymers, showcasing IKEA's dedication to versatility. From minimalist marvels to statement pieces, these chairs embody the essence of modern living. The showcase features ergonomic design that prioritize comfort without compromising on aesthetic appeal. IKEA's signature clean lines, neutral color palettes, and ingenious use of space make these chairs ideal for a variety of home settings, from cozy apartments to spacious living rooms. Discover the incorporation of sustainable materials, reflecting IKEA's commitment to both innovation and environmental consciousness. Whether you're drawn to the simplicity of Scandinavian design or the boldness of contemporary aesthetics, our IKEA designs showcase offers a diverse selection to elevate your home decor. Immerse yourself in the world of affordable luxury and functional elegance, where every chair tells a story of craftsmanship and thoughtful design. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like Interior Design channel.